Top 48 CCNA interview questions and answers. Preparing for a CCNA interview can feel overwhelming, especially when you don't know what questions to expect. In this video, we'll break down the top 48 CCNA interview questions and answers in a clear, simple, and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're a fresher or an experienced professional, these questions will help you build confidence, improve understanding, and perform better during real CCNA interviews. 1. Can you explain what CCNA is? CCNA stands for Cisco-certified Network Associate. It is a foundational networking certification offered by Cisco. CCNA validates a candidate's ability to install, configure, operate, and troubleshoot small to medium-sized networks. It covers networking basics, IP connectivity, security fundamentals, and automation concepts. 2. What is a network? A network is a collection of devices such as computers, servers, switches, and routers connected together to share data and resources. Networks enable communication, file sharing, internet access, and collaboration. They can be wired or wireless and range from small home networks to large global infrastructures. 3. What are the different types of networks? The main types of networks include LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN, and WLAN. LAN covers a small area like an office, while WAN spans large distances. MAN covers cities, PAN connects personal devices, and WLAN uses wireless communication technologies for connectivity. 4. What is a LAN? A local area network, or LAN, connects devices within a limited geographical area such as a home, office, or school. LANs offer high-speed data transfer and are typically privately owned. Ethernet is the most commonly used technology in LAN environments today. 5. What is a WAN? A wide area network, or WAN, connects multiple LANs across large geographical distances. WANs use leased lines, satellite links, or the internet. The best example of a WAN is the internet itself, which connects millions of networks globally. 6. What is an IP address? An IP address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to devices on a network. It allows devices to locate and communicate with each other. IP addresses can be IPv4 or IPv6 and may be static or dynamically assigned by a DHCP server. 7. What is IPv4? IPv4 is a 32-bit addressing scheme used to identify devices on a network. It is written in dotted decimal format, such as 192.168.1.1. IPv4 supports approximately 4.3 billion unique addresses, which led to the development of IPv6. 8. What is IPv6? IPv6 is a 128-bit IP addressing system designed to replace IPv4. It provides a virtually unlimited number of addresses and improves security and efficiency. IPv6 addresses are written in hexadecimal format and support better routing, mobility, and auto-configuration features. 9. What is a subnet? A subnet is a logical division of a network that improves performance and security. Subnetting reduces broadcast traffic and organizes devices into smaller groups. It allows efficient IP address management and helps administrators control network traffic flow more effectively. 10. What is a subnet mask? A subnet mask defines which portion of an IP address represents the network and which part represents the host. It works with IP addresses to determine network boundaries. Common subnet masks include 255.255.255.0 and 255.255.0.0 in IPv4 networks. 11. What is a router? A router is a networking device that connects different networks and forwards data packets between them. Routers use IP addresses to determine the best path for data transmission. They are essential for connecting LANs to WANs and enabling internet access. 12. What is a switch? A switch is a networking device that connects devices within the same network. It operates at the data link layer and uses MAC addresses to forward data. Switches reduce collisions, improve performance, and are commonly used in modern LAN environments. 13. What is the OSI model? The OSI model is a 7-layer framework that explains how data travels through a network. The layers are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. It helps standardize networking concepts and troubleshoot network communication issues effectively. 14. What is the TCP/IP model? The TCP/IP model is a 4-layer networking model used in real-world communication. Its layers are network access, internet, transport, and application. It simplifies the OSI model and forms the foundation of internet communication protocols worldwide today. 15. What is TCP? TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is a connection-oriented protocol that ensures reliable data delivery. It uses acknowledgements, sequencing, and error checking to guarantee data accuracy. TCP is commonly used for applications like email, file transfers, and web browsing. 16. What is UDP? UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is a connectionless protocol that provides fast data transmission without reliability guarantees. It does not use acknowledgements or error correction. UDP is ideal for applications like video streaming, gaming, and voice communication where speed matters. 17. What is a MAC address? A MAC address is a unique hardware identifier assigned to network interfaces. It operates at the data link layer and is typically written in hexadecimal format. MAC addresses are used by switches to forward frames within a local network accurately. 18. What is ARP? ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, maps IP addresses to MAC addresses within a network. When a device knows an IP address but not the MAC address, ARP sends a broadcast request to discover the corresponding hardware address for communication. 19. What is DNS? DNS, or Domain Name System, translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses. It allows users to access websites using names instead of numerical addresses. DNS improves usability and plays a critical role in internet navigation and communication. 20. What is DHCP? DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, automatically assigns IP addresses and network settings to devices. It reduces manual configuration errors and simplifies network management. DHCP servers provide IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS information dynamically. 21. What is NAT? NAT, or Network Address Translation, converts private IP addresses into public IP addresses. It allows multiple devices to share a single public IP address. NAT enhances security, conserves IPv4 addresses, and is commonly used in home and enterprise networks. 22. What is a default gateway? A default gateway is the router that forwards traffic from a local network to external networks. When a device doesn't know the destination network, it sends data to the default gateway. This enables communication between different networks and the internet. 23. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth refers to the maximum data transfer capacity of a network connection. It is usually measured in bits per second. Higher bandwidth allows more data to be transmitted simultaneously, improving network performance and user experience. 24. What is latency? Latency is the time delay experienced during data transmission between devices. It is measured in milliseconds. High latency can cause slow network performance, especially in real-time applications like video calls, online gaming, and voice communication systems. 25. What is a firewall? A firewall is a security device or software that monitors and controls network traffic based on rules. It protects networks from unauthorized access, cyber threats, and malicious attacks. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or cloud-based solutions. 26. What is VPN? A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, creates a secure encrypted connection over the internet. It protects data privacy, hides IP addresses, and allows remote access to private networks. VPNs are commonly used for secure remote work and online privacy. 27. What is a collision domain? A collision domain is a network segment where data packet collisions can occur. Hubs create one large collision domain, while switches create separate collision domains per port. Reducing collision domains improves network performance and data transmission efficiency. 28. What is a broadcast domain? A broadcast domain is a network area where broadcast messages are forwarded. Routers separate broadcast domains, while switches do not. Limiting broadcast domains reduces unnecessary traffic and improves network performance, scalability, and security in large networks. 29. What is a hub? A hub is a basic networking device that connects multiple devices in a network. It broadcasts incoming data to all connected ports. Hubs operate at the physical layer and are largely obsolete due to poor performance and lack of intelligence. 30. What is ICMP? ICMP, or Internet Control Message Protocol, is used for network diagnostics and error reporting. Tools like Ping and Traceroute use ICMP to test connectivity and measure network performance. It helps administrators identify and troubleshoot network issues efficiently. 31. What is a VLAN? VLAN, or Virtual Local Area Network, logically groups devices within a network regardless of physical location. VLANs improve security, reduce broadcast traffic, and enhance network management. They are commonly configured on switches in enterprise environments. 32. What is trunking? Trunking allows multiple VLANs to travel across a single network link. It uses tagging protocols like IEEE 802.1q to identify VLAN traffic. Trunking is essential for interswitch communication in networks with multiple VLANs configured. 33. What is routing? Routing is the process of selecting the best path for data packets to travel between networks. Routers use routing tables and protocols to make forwarding decisions. Efficient routing ensures reliable, fast, and scalable network communication. 34. What are routing protocols? Routing protocols allow routers to share network information automatically. Examples include RIP, OSPF, EIGRP, and BGP. These protocols help routers learn paths, adapt to changes, and select optimal routes for data transmission across networks. 35. What is static routing? Static routing involves manually configuring routes on a router. It is simple, secure, and predictable, but does not adapt automatically to network changes. Static routing is suitable for small, stable networks with limited routing requirements. 36. What is dynamic routing? Dynamic routing uses routing protocols to automatically discover and update routes. It adapts to network changes without manual intervention. Dynamic routing is ideal for large, complex networks where scalability and fault tolerance are required. 37. What is RIP? RIP, or Routing Information Protocol, is a distance vector routing protocol. It uses hop count as its metric with a maximum of 15 hops. RIP is simple but inefficient for large networks due to slow convergence and limited scalability. 38. What is OSPF? OSPF, or Open Shortest Path First, is a link-state routing protocol. It calculates the shortest path using cost metrics and converges quickly. OSPF is scalable, efficient, and widely used in large enterprise networks. 39. What is EIGRP? EIGRP, or Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, is a Cisco proprietary protocol. It combines features of distance vector and link state protocols. EIGRP offers fast convergence, scalability, and efficient bandwidth usage in Cisco-based networks. 40. What is BGP? BGP, or Border Gateway Protocol, is used to route data between autonomous systems on the Internet. It is a path vector protocol and focuses on scalability and policy-based routing rather than speed. BGP powers global Internet routing. 41. What is port number? A port number identifies specific services or applications running on a device. It works with IP addresses to direct traffic correctly. Common port numbers include 80 for HTTP, 443 for HTTPS, and 21 for FTP services. 42. What is HTTPS? HTTPS is a secure version of HTTP that encrypts data using SSL or TLS. It protects sensitive information such as passwords and payment details. HTTPS ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and authentication between web servers and users. 43. What is FTP? FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is used to transfer files between systems over a network. It operates using client-server architecture and uses port numbers 20 and 21. FTP can be secure or insecure depending on configuration. 44. What is SSH? SSH, or Secure Shell, is a secure protocol used for remote device management. It encrypts data to prevent unauthorized access. SSH is commonly used by network administrators to securely configure routers, switches, and servers remotely. 45. What is Telnet? Telnet is a remote access protocol used to manage network devices. It transmits data in plain text, making it insecure. Due to security risks, Telnet has largely been replaced by SSH in modern networking environments. 46. What is QoS? QoS, or Quality of Service, manages network traffic by prioritizing critical applications. It ensures reliable performance for voice, video, and real-time services. QoS helps reduce latency, jitter, and packet loss in congested networks. 47. What is network security? Network security involves protecting networks from unauthorized access, attacks, and data breaches. It includes firewalls, encryption, access control, and monitoring. Strong network security ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and availability for users and organizations. 48. Why do you want CCNA certification? CCNA certification validates my networking fundamentals and practical skills. It strengthens my understanding of routing, switching, and security concepts. CCNA improves career opportunities, builds technical confidence, and provides a strong foundation for advanced networking certifications. That wraps up our top 48 CCNA interview questions and answers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interview preparation content. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, confidence comes from preparation. Best of luck with your CCNA interview, and see you in the next video.